Have you been searching for a digital planner that has a page for every day of the year? Well, look no further, because Blessing by Design offers a 539-page deluxe digital planner, which has monthly planning pages, weekly planning pages, and a day page for every day of the year. This planner comes in 8 different versions. Each has a different color palette and a unique cover design. And as I'm doing this video, I'm going to show you and walk through by using each of the different versions. This digital planner has 13-month dashboard pages, 13-month overview pages, 57 week plan pages, and 396 day plan pages. Plus, we have 12 tabbed category sections and 14 pre-designed template pages that can be duplicated as many times as you need to expand and customize this planner. This is our 4th year of selling this amazing planner, so keep watching to see all of its amazing features. Hey everyone, this is Mama from Blessing by Design. Today I'm showing our 2023 Deluxe Digital Planners. Our Deluxe Digital Planner is a high-quality interactive PDF that is full of page linking tabs that let you navigate quickly to any location in the planner. The digital planner must be used with an application for annotating PDFs. In this video, I'm demonstrating the planner on a Samsung Galaxy S7 Plus tablet. And I'm annotating with the Samsung S Pen that comes with this tablet. And I'm using the free Xodo app that's available on the Google Play Store. This is our My Deluxe Digital Planner. It has a marble cover design and a professional color palette of black, white, red, and teal. Our deluxe planners have a simple design with quick access to months here on the left side. For example, when I tap on the February tab, I see the February landing page. All of the month landing pages have striking images with a large verse. The tabs on the right-hand side will take you to various locations in the planner. This first tab, when tapped, will always take you back to the front cover. Now I'm showing you the Blackboard Deluxe Digital Planner. The next tab down here on the right is our year calendar. This page gives you access to any month dashboard by tapping the dash box next to the month name. Here's the April dashboard. These dashboard pages are a place to jot down a summary of your plans for the month. If I go back to the year calendar, I can tap on any month name and I'll jump to the month grid overview. On this page, I could label special larger events by using the tools in the app. Now, if I go back to the calendar again, I can tap on any of the dates, for instance, the 2nd week of June, and I arrive at the week 2 page for June. And now I'm on the Boho Deluxe Digital Planner. So I'm going to take you right back to the 2nd week of June. And from a week page, I can tap on any circled date and go to that day's page. So if I tap on the 5, I will jump to June 5th's page. Notice that I can also jump between weeks using these handy week tabs here on the left. The color changes to help indicate which week that I'm on for that month. At any time, I can tap the large month name and go to the month overview. There's also links to the month dashboard at the top of every page. Now, if I go back to the June 5th page, I'll show you a great feature of the day pages. These top circles have the week's dates and are also linked. They change color to quickly indicate what day you're on. So here, I'm on June 5th, and so it's the lighter, different color. And then if I were to tap on the 9 to go to June 9th, now that circle is highlighted. So now you'll see that the colors changed. I'm on the June 9th day page, but now I'm on the Gold Deluxe Digital Planner, but you can see the new color palette for this planner. I'm going to jump to the year calendar again and tap on the July dashboard box. Jumping around is great, but you can also swipe pages, and we have navigation hints at the top to let you know what's coming next when I swipe. On any month overview, I can tap on the circled date. For example, I'll tap on the 10 and I will go to that day's page. I can tap the month name and be directed right back here to the July month overview again. This planner has 539 pages, but with a digital planner, it's so fast and easy to get to anywhere in the planner. And here is the Gold Deluxe cover. Now I'm showing you the Fresh Deluxe Digital Planner. This version is full of bright, fresh colors, and it's got fun bubble graphics on the cover. Let's dive into these category tabs on the middle right side of the page. When I tap on each of these tabs, I will be on the category section's landing page. You can think of these tabs like you would dividers in a paper planner. There are 11 of these category tabs. We have travel, reading logs, notes, and this last one down here is just a bonus blank section that you can label and store whatever category that you may need. This planner also comes with 14 pre-designed templates that are stored right after each category tab. So here again is the track landing page. Now I'm showing you the Citrus Deluxe Planner, and you can see that it has a palette of bright, summery oranges and yellows. This track landing page has links to 3 pre-designed templates. Or I can just swipe and see each template because they are stored right after these landing pages. This is our habit tracker template. This is the medical info template. And the third template in our track section is the contact template, which is for tracking groups of people that maybe you're trying to organize. Here's the budget landing tab. And if I swipe once, I see the monthly budget template. And I can fill this template out with my personal numbers and duplicate this page as I need for each month. And here's our bright Citrus Deluxe cover. So now I'm showing you the Natural Deluxe Digital Planner. At the bottom of our category sections, you'll find a white plus tab that has extra blank pages for creating your own templates or pages using tools in the app. There are lines on this landing page for writing the template name that you create, and they are already linked by each space so that you can have quick access to those 5 blank pages. The last tab here on the bottom right is the question mark that will take you to a linked index, which lists the order of pages that come with your original planner, starting with December 2022, and then we have our 2023 months that have the dashboard, grids, weeks, and days. This may be where you want to start when your planner is new so that you can get acquainted with the planner page order and layout, and maybe possibly click around because each of those listed are linked to the page that it corresponds to in the planner. This help section will help you learn what each tab is linked to quickly and has some answers to frequently asked questions so you can see how to quickly navigate from place to place in the planner. And now I'm on the 8th and final Deluxe Planner. This is the Bright Deluxe Digital Planner. You'll notice that on these help pages, there are external links for going to our YouTube channel, emailing us questions. We love to get questions and feedback from our customers, links to our stores and our blog. The last 2 pages give detailed instructions for adding pages in the GoodNotes app, and for you, the free Xodo app, a way for you to learn how to manage your pages after you've duplicated and added your own pages and your own templates. There's ways to bookmark it so you have your own quick index and link to jump to those pages. And I'll end here with the Bright Deluxe Digital Planner's cover. Thank you guys for taking the time to watch this entire video. Please like it and subscribe to our channel. Feel free to comment. We love to get questions. We love to help you with digital planning. Have a great day and be blessed.